This is the 10th race of the season and Jimmie Johnson is on the top. But with a swing of 156 points in each race and 30 more to go, it is still early on. We will be tracking the best of NASCAR 2005 right till the very end. So I'll see you for the next one. Till then, drive safe. Well, it surely doesn't seem like he's going to be retiring soon, but we will get to know at the end of the series. For more, keep watching the best of NASCAR 2005 on Zee Sports. Till then, see ya. Wow, that was close. 3 in a row for Jimmie Johnson, and he's on top of the points table. Well, I hope you had as much fun as I did. I will be back with more of NASCAR action right here on Zee Sports. Till then, adios. Well, we were waiting for a photo finish, लेकिन यहाँ तो googly होगी. Carl Edwards wins under caution. Now, चक्कर ये है कि अगर किसी गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है या फिर ट्रैक पे डेब्री गिर जाती है, तो एक कॉशन फ्लैग मतलब एक येलो फ्लैग दिखाया जाता है. During this, no overtaking is allowed और सारी गाड़ियाँ एक पेस कार के पीछे आ जाती हैं. अगर यही लास्ट लैप में हो, so the person leading is declared the winner, which is exactly what happened today. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. For more, keep watching the best of NASCAR 2005. Till then, see ya. But that's not it, folks. अभी तो आधे से ज़्यादा सीजन बाकी है. But for that, आपको देखना पड़ेगा the best of NASCAR only on Zee Sports. Till then, take care and drive safe, and I'll see you for the next race. Dale Earnhardt Jr. wins this race and brings himself some hope for the Nextel Cup. ये Dale की 16वीं जीत है. और आज के रेस में जिमी जॉनसन came third with 170 points. लेकिन अभी भी पॉइंट्स टेबल पर वो नंबर 1 है. और दूसरे नंबर पर है ग्रेग बिफल जो सिर्फ 108 पॉइंट्स से पीछे रह गए. जी हाँ, मैंने सिर्फ इसलिए कहा क्योंकि हर रेस में 156 पॉइंट्स का डिफरेंस हो सकता है. बेस्ट ऑफ NASCAR 2005 में आज बस इतना ही. टिल देन मुझे दीजिए इजाजत. Well, it hasn't been a bad day at all for Jimmie Johnson, who is still on top of the points table. But the man to watch out for, Tony Stewart, who won 3 out of the last 4 races, finished second and is only 66 points behind the first place. क्या होगा next on the Nextel Cup? ये देखने के लिए keep watching the best of NASCAR 2005 only on Zee Sports. It's been a fairy tale ending for Tony Stewart. उनके लिए तो डबल खुशी का मौका है क्योंकि आज की जीत के बाद वो पॉइंट्स टेबल पर नंबर 1 हो गए हैं. But on the other hand, Jimmie Johnson के साथ तो ट्रेजेडी होगी because there were only 15 more laps to go and he had a crash. Well, such is life at NASCAR, full of ups and downs depending on whose side you are. The drama continues to unfold, so don't miss the next race. Till then, adios. Instead of spreading love, we're spreading animosity. Lack of understanding leading us. Tony Stewart is consolidating his position at the top of the points table. Now, Jimmie Johnson is second, लेकिन his bad luck continues because आज उनकी गाड़ी का इंजन खराब हो गया और इसी कारण वो 36th आए. 2005 की बेस्ट रेसेस में आज बस इतना ही, लेकिन 11 रेसेस बाकी हैं, तो आप देखना मत भूलिएगा मेरे साथ the best of NASCAR 2005. Till then, drive safe and see you. Tony Stewart is on top of the leaderboard and he looks to be in great shape for the chase. Now, the only person to lose out is Jamie McMurray. So, our 10 are final for the chase. Now, NASCAR goes into overdrive, so don't miss out on all the action and fun right here on Zee Sports. So, till next time, goodbye. Kurt Busch is at the bottom, but he has only his luck to blame for that. Apart from Kurt, the other 9 drivers are very much in the hunt for the title. Well, so far so good, but the excitement is only going to continue as the chase continues. I hope to catch you for the next one right here on Zee Sports.
The 10 car, we've had issues.
Theoretically, all 10 are in the race to the chase. The drama continues, and to catch more of it, watch the next episode of the Best of NASCAR 2005 on Zee Sports. Till then, take care. Dale Jarrett, the veteran, finally 2005 में रेस जीतने में कामयाब हो गए हैं. He is the 14th different winner this year. As far as the other drivers are concerned, Carl Edwards, Tony Stewart, Kurt Busch and Ryan Newman managed to finish amongst the top 10. For more, keep watching the best of NASCAR 2005 only on Z Sports.
Come on around.
All top 10 drivers are in the race to the chase. कोई भी कभी भी बाजी मार सकता है. These guys are saving their best for the last. We promise you a lot more of action and drama. So for that, keep watching the best of NASCAR 2005. Till then, take care. There are only 5 races left to decide the next NASCAR champ for 2005. Tony Stewart and Jimmy Johnson are tied at the top of the leaderboard with the next 5 just within 100 points. हम तो हमेशा कहते हैं, this is NASCAR, pure racing and real drama. So make sure you catch the next race in our series of the best of 2005. Till then, take care.
In New York.
Well, he can easily be called the new sensation of 2005. Surely a man to watch out for in the future. With this, we come to an end of today's event. NASCAR Nextel series में अब सिर्फ 2 races बाकी हैं. The drama and excitement is only going to increase, so make sure you catch the next race right here on Z Sports. Till then, drive safe. NASCAR Nextel Chase की कहानी में आज भी टोनी स्टुअर्ट, कार्ल एडवर्ड्स और जिमी जॉनसन से आगे हैं. लेकिन टाइटल कौन जीतेगा ये नहीं कहा जा सकता. 2005 के सीजन में क्या होगा नेक्स्ट, ये देखने के लिए कीप वॉचिंग द बेस्ट ऑफ NASCAR 2005 only on Z Sports. Till then, take care.